This is the real f***ing view. When they talk about JA, it's what they see normally run. You look here. I fear them something here. Yo. Fear them something here. So police come in, so whoosh. Watch ya. See sunset there. Oi oi. What a beauty Jamaica have. You don't even know that shit. This is where the sea was at. Or where it's gonna come back. And even flash up two fish in a one rock. Yo! But man, this is the beauty of Jamaica. Watch out. Outside today. So what have come in the problem, man? Problem this, you know? All is coming whoosh. Look at. Look there. This is how close we are to the ocean. Yo. Look at my nigga. This is crazy. How people finna love nature. Yo. Nature me come from and like this so me I go back. Youth. But you know, a little trip out is to do, right? Yeah man, so when this goes a whoosh, you watch it come in. Yes bro. Look there. Look there. It's amazing. Look there man. Youth. Can't live at Jamaica and go nowhere man. And I experience that kind of life. When I do youth, don't worry yourself. I'm videoing the action around. Watch them man. For comfortable and nice. What you see people. Watch ya man. This is the beauty of Father God. Jesus! Youth! Me don't care to change your clothes. I want to snail this. Me don't take the weight up. Youth. But when I tell you, that deep. When I tell you about Jamaica, like, it's like the best thing, nature, the best thing when it comes on to JA, though. Yeah. So I'm telling you about the beauty of Jamaica. Look there. This is St. Mary. People, man, I forget I'm naked. Look for the vision of Jamaica. It's just amazing. Look at them splashing. I don't think none of y'all love nature like me though, honestly. Then, I was just sitting in one of those holes. Look on the sunset, ain't nothing to play with. It's amazing. Look there man, sunset. Watch out man, watch out. Yes brother, when the sunset, you know you outside. We been outside. That's just amazing, honestly to God. Like my love, me is a nature person. Watch out. Who could do that for God? Why the sea don't control me yet? Watch out. And it says stand upon the sea. That's why the sea behave like this. It vexed. Yeah. I was just in one of these homes. Night time. Look on that. Yo. Complete place, you know. Jamaica, St. Mary. Yeah. And we could go on and on and on. Look out there. Beautiful.